Nano Banana Pro is now live inside Pippet, but 90% of users are wasting its real power. Most of the time, the problem isn't the model, it's your prompt. People type one lazy sentence and expect a masterpiece, but vague prompts equals vague results. For example, look at this bad prompt. Make a rocket launching with some blueprint stuff. When you give Nano Banana Pro almost nothing to work with, this is what you get. A generic rocket, no clarity, no cinematic composition, and blueprint overlays that make no sense. Now look at this enhanced prompt, and this is the result. Same idea, but because the prompt is structured, detailed, and intentional, Nano Banana Pro delivers a cinematic engineering poster. And yes, this result was generated by Nano Banana Pro inside Pippit AI because Pippit is now officially powered by Nano Banana Pro, which means sharper details, smarter reasoning, and far more accurate scene generation. To create results like this, simply go to www.pippit.ai, link in description and pinned comment so you can follow along. Once you sign up and log in, you'll land on this interface. In the free plan, you get 150 AI credits weekly, and Pippit is also offering a 7-day free trial with all premium features. AI doesn't create amazing results because it's lucky. AI creates amazing results when you give it amazing instructions. Nano Banana Pro understands lighting, composition, world knowledge, but only when your prompt communicates your intent clearly. Now, let me show you how to write perfect prompts inside Pippit AI. Using a real example, a miniature 3D isometric New York weather scene. Click on Image Studio from the left sidebar, then select AI Design, Nano Banana Pro, and now paste your enhanced prompt here. Here's the exact prompt. Present a clear 45-degree top-down isometric miniature 3D cartoon scene of New York, featuring its most iconic landmarks and architectural elements. Use soft, refined textures with realistic PBR materials and gentle, lifelike lighting and shadows. Integrate the current weather conditions directly into the city environment to create an immersive, atmospheric mood. Use a clean, minimalistic composition with a soft, solid-colored background. At the top center, place the title New York in large, bold text, a prominent weather icon beneath it, then today's date, December 5th, and 2025, small text, and temperature, medium text. All text must be centered with consistent spacing and may subtly overlap the tops of the buildings. You can find the complete prompt on our website zapiwala.ai. Just visit the link provided in description or pinned and copy it. Then hit generate, and within seconds, Pippit AI, powered by Nano Banana Pro, will create 3 mind-blowing images based on this prompt. Just look at the precision, the perfect 45-degree isometric angle, soft PBR textures, clean lighting, real weather integration, and perfectly aligned title, date, and temperature text. Nano Banana Pro isn't guessing. It's following your instructions like a production designer. And here's the best part. Pippit AI generates results using official Nano Banana Pro by Google. You can clearly see the difference when comparing images generated inside Pippit versus Nano Banana Official. Next, you can download the image. And right now, you can even download watermark-free results. Next, you can click on the Convert to Video button, then choose your preferred video aspect ratio, hit Generate, and within a few seconds, bingo! Your image is transformed into a video clip. Instantly. Just look at this.
Welcome to a magical winter vision of New York City, where iconic landmarks meet artistic imagination. Lady Liberty stands proudly, her torch still guiding dreams through the winter haze. Skyscrapers pierce the winter sky, their golden glow creating a breathtaking contrast against the white snow.
A smooth cinematic video created automatically by Pippit AI. It's incredible how clean and dynamic the animation looks. Similarly, I use this prompt. Simply replace Superman with your own character or subject, hit generate, and Pippit AI gives you stunning, high-detail images. Again, you can compare these results with Nano Banana Pro Official, and you'll clearly see how Pippit AI enhances the entire experience while using the same core model. Next, try this prompt. Replace the city name with any city you want, click Generate in Pippit AI, and within seconds, you'll get this beautiful kid-style city drawing. It's colorful, charming, and looks handcrafted, perfect for posters, stories, and creative projects. Now it's your turn. Open Pippit AI right now. The link is in the description and the pinned comment, and start using Nano Banana Pro with my enhanced prompts. Right now, Pippit is offering a free trial plus 50% off for new users, so this is the perfect time to explore and get the maximum value. If you watched till here, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more powerful AI tutorials. And if you want to learn how to create viral scroll stopping images, then watch this video. I found hidden Nano Banana Pro Prompts No One Shares Part 2. It will completely change the way you generate AI visuals.